So Arshad is with me here, and yesterday,
And I can see.
and yesterday we've done his vision correction,
Yeah.
so that he can see better, of course, but he can probably perform better.
Yeah, I know. Maybe my acting will improve now.
Yes.
So I actually, for me it is a weird thing that has happened. So after so many years, I'm actually seeing things proper. I'll tell you something very strange. So I have always considered myself colorblind, which I realized when I did one eye, right? So everything from the other eye which was not corrected, I could see everything dull.
Right.
So yellows used to look a little bit like ochre yellow. It used to look everything looked dull. Now suddenly it's all bright. Now suddenly I can see the blues are blues, the yellows are bright. So colors are looking better. And I have no
The
issue.
best part is the contrast also gets better.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So suddenly everything, the world looks much more brighter. Should have done this long time.
So what do you
Never too late.
What do you recommend to your friends?
I would recommend everybody to do it. Maria is definitely going to come and do it. There are a couple of my friends who've been talking to me, they all are going to come. I would say one should do this as soon as you realize that. I think as soon as you reach 40 or you're going 40 plus,
then you should get
please visit doctor and get it done.
What we've done for
It's a
him
blessing.
what we've done is a PRELEX procedure which corrects the far vision, intermediate, and functionally good near vision also with the EDOF lens. Thank you very much, Arshad.
Pleasure. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Now I can wear chashmas for style.